At Taylor Kempkes, we believe that architecture is a profession that should be practiced as generalists, not specializing in any one area, but encompassing the whole spectrum of building types.
Our first commercial project in 1987, 1988 was the restoration of the Mountain Valley Water Company national headquarters. The project was very well received. It was done simultaneously with the federal government restoring the Fordyce Bathhouse as the National Park Visitor Center. And over the course of 20 years, did dozens of projects in the heart of Central Avenue Historic District.
By practicing as generalists, we become familiar with many different building types and uses, and that this is especially helpful with the adaptive reuse of historic properties, where we can let the building tell its own story of which the new use is an integral part. In the Mountain Valley renovation, the new executive office is behind a new low partition wall integrated well with the historic Japanese ballroom, allowing visitors to experience the history of the room with a modern office experience. A similar approach was taken in the old post office renovation, where modern office spaces were integrated into the historic mailroom space.
When Taylor Kempkes came to Hot Springs in the mid-80s, they brought a new dimension to the town by restoring our historic buildings and set forth the revitalization that we have taking place today in our downtown. They restored the United States Post Office, which was listed on the National Register of Historic Places as our corporate office. Our business has been operating out of here ever since. Taylor Kempkes are remarkable architects.
While historic preservation is what our firm was founded on, we've always worked on modern builds simultaneously while becoming business owners in the process. And that's something our clients tell us really gives them trust and confidence in our approach. We have experience from the lending side, the leasing side, the management side. So with that knowledge, we're seen as an experienced partner through architecture.
Architects see the world in a very specific way and share a strong appreciation for the buildings, landscapes, and how each city is defined by its own architecture. We have a unique relationship to the cities we live in and we visit. This appreciation is what drives our design process, translating our clients' wishes into a design concept that ultimately becomes a building that adds to the city character and leaves a lasting impact. That is the art for us.
Taylor Kempkes Architects has shown his impact and capability in Hot Springs for decades. As we move forward, gaining new commissions and expanding into new territories, so does this opportunity for positive impact. Architecture can directly affect a client's perception with their customers. It can improve occupants' health and well-being, and oftentimes it fills a need within the community. The more we can do this, the more value we can bring our clients, no matter where they may be.
Throughout our history, we become stewards of restoring history. And as we evolve and expand into the future, our experience and commitment to your project assures that we're more than just designers. We're your partners through architecture.